Hi guys, this is a Carlinkit. It's a device for you to connect to your Android head unit to get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So I'm gonna unbox this and I'm gonna install this. This is how the box looks like, and once it's unboxed, it looks like this. Very much the same with the wired version. You just connect to your USB at your Android head unit. Yeah, behind it's pretty basic. I think it comes with both white and black. I chose the black one. It also comes with an instruction manual in colors. I think this page is in English and the other side is in Chinese. So this is my Android head unit. I have an iPhone here, and inside actually I have already installed with the wired version. I think that's 2 years or 3 years back. So the downside of it is that when I try to connect this, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Let's try it out. Okay, I've just connected it and it doesn't come out. So let's open it. Okay, it's connecting. Yeah, it works. Yeah, not always. And something bad about the wired version is that when you actually touch it, or accidentally, take out this cable, then you don't get the Apple CarPlay anymore. And in order to make sure your Apple CarPlay is stable, you can't really touch the phone. Yeah, sometimes you want to take your phone and do something on it, right? Touching the cable itself will actually disable the function. So you gotta take it out again and then push it in, and hopefully it works. Yeah, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So that's why I bought the wireless version, and hopefully this will solve the problem I have now. So okay, I have dismantled this part, take out the aircon and this part, so I can take out the head unit itself. And inside it's already connected with this wired Apple CarPlay device, Carlinkit as well. Got it for 2 years back. So I'm gonna replace this with the brand new one, which is this. So it's pretty basic. Yeah, I just need to replace it according to how it looks like right now. Let's try it now. So okay, it's now replaced. This is the old one, which is about the same. I think the size is slightly smaller. The surface, this is glossy, this is matte. And other than that, I think it's the same thing. Yeah, it's just a device with USB, going in and USB going out. So I'm going to install this back and try to install the application into this head unit here. So this is the instruction manual. There's actually 3 ways of installing this. The first way is to locate the APK file, which is inside the device itself. It should be able to detect. So if it can't, then maybe you want to use the method 2, which is use your own computer to download the APK file, which is in this address, and put it in your USB drive, and then after that you access it using your Android head unit. Or the third way, easier way, is just to go to your browser in your Android head unit, which is this, yeah, or any other browsers. So you can just go to this address provided and download the APK. I think I have some problem locating a file from the device itself, so I'm going to use the internet, a browser, yeah, to get what I need. Yeah, so I'm going to just type the web's address provided by the instruction manual. So okay, I've now put in this, and let's try and find this. It's downloading the file. So it's 8.45 meg, so it's not that big. It should be quite fast. So there you go, done. So I'm going to open it and install this. Okay, looks pretty simple. Put in the address before you download and click on install and open it. And there you go, this is the APK. New version found, bug fixes improved. Okay, allow to access the USB device. Yeah, why not? And upgrade. Yeah, it downloads the latest one again. Apparently the link that given to me is not the latest one, but yeah, it's good enough. It updates itself. And now let's do this again. Install the latest version. Blocked by Play Protect. Install anyway. I need to use this. Okay, open. And it looks the same here. Choose an app for the USB device. Well, AutoKit. Yep. Yes, of course. Oh. Allow the app to access. Yeah. Okay. And yes, AutoKit. Always. So first, make sure this app is on, and after that, use your iPhone. Yeah, make sure your Bluetooth is on, and then you can find this called AutoKit. Yep, just click on it and pair it. Yep, let's allow. Now it's connected. Is that very simple? Use CarPlay. Okay, just click on that. It's still connecting to it. Oh, I have to make sure the Wi-Fi is on. Yeah, it's on. So it's just as simple as that. Yep. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. Connect to this AutoKit 631F, and now you're there. Yeah, I think that's it. You know, it's a great product. Simple, just plug and play. Yeah, install it. Install the APK. After that, you know, make sure your phone Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is on. You know, connect the device using a Bluetooth, then it works. If you're driving an extra and you have no idea, or rogue, you know, no idea how to open this, you know, you can, you know, look back at my previous video how I actually put this in, as well as yeah, if you don't want to open this, yeah, you can just, you know, plug it here, you know. Yeah, meaning the device, the dongle itself should, you know, stay here instead of being inside. I have another video showing you how to, you know, put it in. So alright, I'm trying out when I restart the car, would it work automatically? So maybe I just, oh, it does. Okay, it goes Apple CarPlay here, but it's not showing there. Started. Yeah, it is, just that it doesn't go to the front page. Maybe something to do with my launcher. It always go on top of other apps. So I managed to find out my Android head unit's launcher. You always have this, runs always on top. So I'm gonna disable this and try it again. I think restarting it again, so hopefully it works. Yep. And I start again, and hopefully it works. Didn't touch anything. It's not connecting, and automatically it goes to Apple CarPlay. Voila. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps. Bye.